Hi, my name is Diana Shimkus, and I am the founding director of Everyday Mindfulness and the teacher at Encinitas Mindfulness Community. I wanted to talk a few minutes today about the upcoming March 2nd Eastern Practices in a Western World Conference and why you should attend. When I met John Kabat-Zinn in 1994, I was rushing crazily through the halls at Scripps Hospital trying to get to the talk that he was giving at Grand Rounds. He stopped me and actually said, "Don't rush to the end, try to be here and now," and we walked together through the hall to the talk. That brief contact changed my life forever. For the last 25 years, I've been committed to teaching mindfulness meditation to communities, organizations, and others. I wanted to say just a little bit about why mindfulness is important in my life. I have to say that when I started mindfulness, everything looked pretty good. I had a husband I loved, a family I enjoyed, and beautiful, healthy children. But the sense was that there was something I was missing. I was rushing a little bit through it all. I wasn't stopping, I wasn't enjoying, I wasn't smelling the roses present in my everyday life. I decided to take mindfulness at the Center for Integrative Medicine, and there I learned that until I could take a pause, take a breath, and just find the present moment, whether I liked it or not, this one, exactly as it is, I could not really enjoy my life to the fullest. Please join us on March 2nd. I look forward to seeing you there.